Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Gemini. Gemini people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Gemini, in this feeling, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, okay? Okay, so we have the Star. Page of Pentacles. Okay, so Gemini, this is your current energy and this is your partner's current energy. Okay. Gemini, are you guys have been through a heartbreaking moment, okay? Some heartbreaking thing has happened with you, okay? Now you are taking your own time to heal your heart and mind, okay? You must be, I feel that somebody has ditched you in past, somebody has, cheated on you, somebody has betrayed on you. Now you are not, you are just healing your heart and mind, okay? And this person is saying, I'm seeing that this lady is washing her feet, okay? So this, it means that you are healing your heart, it means that you are healing your mind, you are taking your own time to get over from that tragedy, or get over from that trauma, okay? I feel that a lot of people are chasing you. Okay, a lot of people are chasing you to talk to you, or they must be talking. They wanted to talk to you, or they want to talk to you. They are willing to confront something to you. Okay, they wish to communicate something to you. Okay, they wish to tell you something, but it's you who is not going to listen to anyone. Okay, you feel that it's okay, whatever the case it was. Okay, my heart is broken now, let me be alone, okay? Let me just enjoy my time, okay? Let me just heal my heart first, okay? Let me just heal myself, okay? Plus you also feel that there is, you feel blessed at some point of time in life, that it's okay if something is not happened for me, or something, if that tragedy has happened for me, that is going to be beneficial for me eventually, okay? So deep down in your heart, Gemini, you feel blessed, okay? That okay, if this bad incident has happened with me, so it means that something is definitely going to good for me, okay? So you are being very optimistic also right now, Gemini, okay? Plus all those people, all those energies which wanted to talk to you, which are which are keen to talk to you right now, you are just not in any kind of mood to talk to them, okay? You are just ignoring them, you are just making them wait for you, okay? You feel that I'll talk to them later, first I need to heal myself, okay? So it's better to work on myself first, okay? Oh, okay, and later on I can talk to anyone, okay? So this is your energy, Gemini, and this is your partner's energy, 5 of Pentacles, okay? Gemini, your person is thrown out by somebody. Someone has kicked them out from their life. Someone has thrown them out from their life. Okay, so they feel that that all of a sudden something has happened with them, and their loved ones just just thrown them out from their life. They don't feel required. They don't feel need. They don't feel that they feel that nobody wants them, okay? They feel unwanted, they feel unloved, they feel unrequired, okay? Something has happened with them, okay? That thing has broken them completely. I feel that, Gemini, you are the one who, I feel, I'm not sure, but I mean, I feel that it's you who has kicked them out. It's you who has kicked them out from your life. Perhaps they must have done something wrong with you. Perhaps they must have taken you for granted, okay? Perhaps they must be abusive towards you. Anything could be happen. Anything could be happen. They must be mistreating you in past, okay? So you must have felt that it's okay, enough now, it's enough. You can't be in my life anymore. You better leave, okay? You better get out of my life. So I feel, Gemini, you have kicked your person out from your life. That's why they are feeling heartbroken. That's why they are feeling left alone. Okay. Now let's see how you see them and how they see you. Okay. So we have Tower. Gemini, you feel, how you see them. Okay. Gemini, you see this person as their arrogance has demolished now, their negative emotions has demolished now, okay? Whatever they are, okay, they were into some kind of air, okay? They were into they were on cloud 9 for something into their life, okay? But you feel that that illusion has been demolished now, okay? And their ego is demolished, their bad temperament is demolished, okay? They must be very proudy, okay? They must be very arrogant, they must be very abusive. All of those negative emotion has been demolished now, okay? Perhaps this person is used to be very proudy, okay? But now something has happened, or something is happening with them right now, or something has happened with them right now, which has demolished, which have broken their self-confidence completely, okay? Or I would say overconfidence, okay? Now we have Six of Swords. Gemini, your person sees you as somebody that you are moving out. They feel that you have given up now. They feel that you are moving out from this relationship, and you are not interested to look back anymore, okay? They feel that you are not interested in to looking back anymore. They must be calling your name, okay? Please come back, please come back. But they also see you as somebody who is moving out, okay? Who does not want to be in this relationship anymore, okay? Now let's see how you feel about them and how they feel about you, Gemini. So we have Three of Wands. So Gemini, you feel about this person as this person, they must be nice with you in past, they must be good with you in past, but eventually some incident must have happened between you and your person. So you feel about this person as this person is, or perhaps there is a third party situation. It could also happen. There must be a third party situation. You feel that this person does not want you anymore, okay? You feel that this person is cheating on you, okay? They have turned their back on your they have turned their back, okay? You feel that whenever you wanted them, they were never with you, okay? They are looking somewhere else, they want to be with somebody else, okay? So Gemini, you feel that this person has developed so much, or very long distance between you and them, okay? There is a huge emotional distance between you and them, Gemini, okay? So you feel that whenever you wanted to talk to them, they were never available for you emotionally, okay? So there was, I mean, you feel that there's a lot of emotional distance between you and this person, okay? Now let's see how your person feels about you. We'll have Two of Swords. This person feels about you, Gemini, that you are being very calm right now, okay? But you are very angry, okay? You are very angry. It's not that you are not saying anything, that means you are very, I mean, you are not in I mean, you are not angry. You are very much angry. And they feel that you are controlling your emotions right now. They feel that you are controlling your anger right now, okay? They feel that you wanted to blabber about something, you wanted to shout about something, you wanted to, talk about something, but you are not doing anything, okay? So they feel about you that this Gemini is holding their emotions, okay? This Gemini is holding their uh, this Gemini does not want to talk right now. This Gemini does not want to see anything right now. This Gemini person does not want to listen anything right now, okay? That's why this person is not speaking anything, this person is not seeing anything, this person is not hearing anything, okay? And plus this person has closed their heart, okay, for everyone, and especially this person, okay? So I mean, so they feel that whenever they come, whenever they want, they wish to talk to you, you feel, I mean, you give them this vibe that, hey, please go away, I don't want to talk to you, okay? Okay, now let's see how Gemini feel about this relationship and how their person feels about this relationship. Queen of Cups, Temperance. Gemini, you feel emotionally overburdened in this relationship. You feel that I am the one who is putting a lot of efforts in this relationship. I am the one who has hold this cup in my hand. I am the one who is putting all the efforts, or I am the one who is putting all the emotions into this relationship, and I am the one who's nurturer. I am the one who is giver in this relationship. And the sad part is that whenever you think about your person, they are not around you, okay? You are completely all alone holding this cup of emotion in your hand. So Gemini, you feel in this relationship that I have to put a lot of effort into this relationship, okay? I am the one who is giving, who is doing all the things in this relationship, okay? But they are not present anywhere, okay? They are not present anywhere. So you feel completely alone in this relationship, okay? Okay, when it comes to your partner's views, with this Temperance card, I feel your partner feels about this relationship that this relationship has come to an end, okay? Here is Sun, okay? This Sun can, this Sun has so many meanings for so many people, okay? For some of them the sun is rising, for some of them the sun is, uh, it's time to sunset. So they feel that, sometimes they feel that yes, they can, I mean, there is a sunrise, okay, in this relationship. Maybe I can do something, or maybe we can do, you and your person can do something in this relationship, Gemini, okay? Sometimes they feel that no, I should not give anything into this relationship, and instead of giving anything into this relationship, I should focus on my own mental peace now. I should focus on my own balance now. I should focus on my own life now, okay? I don't want to see anything, I don't want to hear anything, I don't want to say anything, okay? If my Gemini wants to think about anything about me, they can. I'm not going to talk to them, I'm not going to say anything to them, I'm not going to bother about it, okay? So they are not concerned about it, they are not concerned about this relationship anymore, okay? For them, the sun has set for this relationship, okay? Now let's see what is going to be the future potential for Gemini. Oh, Gemini, somebody new is coming with this Page of Cups. Gemini, for you, I feel someone new is coming into your life with this Page of Cups, okay? And this person is definitely going to give you a solid emotional, um, relationship offer, okay? Or something solid in terms of emotions, in terms of relationship. Plus, this person has, I'm seeing that this new person is going to show you that, hey, I know how to make you happy. I know what thing makes you happy. Okay, I know I'm here to make you happy. Okay, I'm not giving you any false hopes in this relationship, or I won't give any false hopes to you, Gemini, in this relationship. Rather, I want to prove you that, hey, I'm not the one. I'm not the same person as your past lover. Okay, I am completely different from this person, from your past person. Okay, they must have not given you something which you deserved in past. Okay, but now I'm here, so I'll give you a lot of, I'll give you whatever you asked me. Okay, whatever you are going to ask from me, I'm ready to give you all the things. Okay, so this is not any baseless relationship. I'm going to give you a solid relationship. Okay, I have lot of thing to give you, lot of emotion to give you, lot of affection to give you. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay, so Gemini, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Aquarius with this star card. We have Sagittarius in this reading, so you must be dealing with Sagittarius with this Temperance card. Okay, some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Six of Swords, Two of Swords. Okay, we have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Page of Cups and Queen of Cups. We have earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Five of Pentacles. We have fire sign in this reading, okay, with this Three of Wands and the Tower, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Okay, so Gemini, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.